£280. Come and get it, take it away. It's all built, £280. So we've got the Char-Griller double play. Charcoal barbecue on the right and gas barbecue on the left, along with the side burner on the far side. It's quite a big barbecue actually, made by Char-Griller. Firstly, we've done this, we've sold quite a few in the shop. The website's all out of stock of these now as well. Sold all year long at £449. It's a big barbecue, it's a big barbecue, there's no two ways around it. 3 burner on the right hand side, on the left hand side, sorry. Same size grill in charcoal on the right hand side. You can raise and lower the charcoal bed. Side burner on here as well for your sauces and anything else you need. £449 we sold it for all year. £280. Come and get it, take it away. It's all built, £280.